Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddyjsmith here. So, you guys, can you believe it? We are at 133 subscribers and counting. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to give a big shout out to my hubby. Thank you so much, hubby, for sharing my posts on your social media, and thank you to all his friends who have joined, who have subscribed. I want to say thank you to everyone for your support, and thank you to all my subscribers who have been with me from the beginning. So as promised, I said once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for the juviasplace Masquerade mini palette, and today we're at 133. So I'm going to be announcing the winner of this palette at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So today I decided to do something fun, something I haven't done before. I decided to do a challenge. I watched Nicole Guiado's, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, channel the other day, and she did the no mirror makeup challenge, and I thought that is awesome. Like, that'd be hilarious, that'd be so much fun to do, you know, something light, something silly, and just something to attempt, you know, to test your skills. So to test my skills at my makeup application with a mirror, which is, yeah, not easy, I must say. So yes, if you guys want to see how we did this face beat, and you know how I put on the lashes without a mirror, then keep watching. And of course, before you head out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button at the corner so that you get notified every time I upload. So first things first, I'm gonna put away my mirror. No mirror challenge. So that goes down, and we are going to close the monitor. So I'm gonna do my best to do my face as I usually would, do all the steps as I normally would. So first we're going to start with the primer. So for my primer today, well, it's more of an oil mattifier. I've been looking for something that's going to help, you know, control oils and stuff, and I looked into my American lookbook and I was like, duh, Edith, we have an oil mattifier. Why haven't I used this before? Why haven't I thought about that before? Oh well. So I got my hands on American mattifier and I love this product. So I'm going to leave a link down the bottom to where you can, you know, order it. So just gonna take that, just like that right there. You are my mirror, you guys, so I'm gonna be looking into your eyes throughout this tutorial. Let's go. So just putting that in my T-zone area, which is parts where I normally get oily. Okay. And once you put it on, you gotta leave it to dry. So now I'm going in my Master Camo Color Corrector by Maybelline. And I believe my acne scar is somewhere around here. I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna be so cool. So cool. So now, because I can't see, like I don't have a mirror, I'm just going to swipe to ensure that it is covering everywhere. How are we doing so far? I know I put it somewhere around here, so I'm just gonna do a huge swiping motion. Okay, that is done. Next, for our foundation. So just to have more control, I'm gonna pump it onto my brush directly, so that way I have better control. Okay, 2 more pumps, the other side. Next, I'm gonna go with my Mary Kay concealer, and I'm using the shade in the light bronze. Okay, so let's do this. I'm just gonna put 2. Oh goodness, I'm so nervous. There's a chin, it's right there. It is truly hard. No, just one. It is truly hard to do your makeup without a mirror. Like, who started this challenge anyway? I want to know who started this challenge. What's wrong with using the mirror? I just know this is not gonna turn out good at all. Because when it comes to like highlighting, you have to blend it very well, and I can't see jack. I mean, when I watched Nicole, I watched her do this challenge, and girlfriend was looking snatched at the end of it. Okay, she was looking good. She even popped on lashes and she did it great. Now, if you're like me and you struggle with putting your lashes on, this is going to be a disaster. Now to set, I'm gonna take this little rotating sponge here and just dip that in. I'm just gonna take my big brush and just blend that out. So next I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Mary Kay Shimmer Pressed Powder in Bronze 1. So we're just going to dip into that. See, I kind of feel like you can almost get away with not doing your foundation and stuff without a mirror, but you know where it gets tricky? When you need to do your eyeshadow. Like, that's where it's going to be very interesting. I mean, if you're somebody who doesn't have you know, good placement of the eyeshadows and stuff like that, it's definitely going to be a struggle. So next I'm just going in with my Broken CoverGirl bronzer, ebony bronzer, and bronze up the face and hope that we don't wipe off our eyebrows. Now let's go into the eyes and see what we can do. I'm going to go with the shade Zulu from the Masquerade Mini Palette. So I'm going to be announcing my winner at the end of the video, so stay tuned because she's going to get this palette in the mail. I'm so excited for her. So let's go in with Zulu. Okay. So I'm just going to do the windshield wiper motion, whoosh, 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 back and forth in the crease, and hope that, you know, we're doing a good job. Go back in again. Do the same thing. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the shade Ada. Just picking that up with the same brush. Just so you know, Ada in my culture means first daughter. Alright, so just go in with the shade Ada. Back and forth again. You know, when you don't have a mirror, you gotta work with your imagination now, right? I guess it forces you to be creative. You know? Just work from your mind. I'm going into the Volume 1 palette. I'm going to be using the Abby shade right here just to deepen the crease. So we're just going to tap tap, dust off, and hope that we find a good placement for that. So I'm just concentrating more on the outer corner first, and then I will sweep just a little bit, whatever is left on that. Right there. And then I will sweep because I want more of the color concentrated on the outer part to deepen that crease. So I'm just going to go in now with this shade Color Bar right here, and I'm going to use my fingertip to apply this one. Because I think I'll have more control with my fingers. Just touch a little bit. Oh my goodness. Listen, this is not easy. This takes skill, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to go back again into the palette, just using the same colors that we used. And just going to try and sweep that under my eye. So next we're going to line our eyes, and I'm using the liquid liner. Y'all pray for me. Okay, so we are not going to get a wing liner today. No sir. No sir. Alright, mascara time. I'm just going to go on top and just twirl it outwards. See if that helps. Okay. Go back into that palette and pop on some blush. Alright, so let's do the lips. I'm going to be playing with these 3 shades from Mary Kay here. These are the gel semi-matte lipsticks. The shades I have here is Bashful You, Red Truffle, and Midnight Red. So let's go in first with Red Truffle. Next is Bashful You. I'm going to use that in the inner corner of my lips, inner parts of my lips. And I'm going to use Midnight Red sort of like to line the outer parts. Okay. I gotta go back now and use my brow pencil to just line a little bit because I feel like, you know, being that it's a new lipstick, I always like to line a little bit. So let's highlight with our La Peach. So we're just going to dip. Ooh, that's a lot. This powder glows like nobody's business, so we just need a little bit. Just dust off and blend and hope that it is well blended into the skin. So next we're gonna go on some lashes. Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna try this today. We're gonna attempt this. Y'all pray for me because I hope I don't lose an eye. We're gonna try the Let's Get Mink lashes by Blush in the style Fierce. Okay. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous. But just so you know, before we get on to the lashes, let me just warn you right now. It's gonna be a fail. I can tell you that right now. It's gonna be a fail. I know that much because I struggle even with a mirror. Not talk of doing this without a mirror, so it's going to be a fail, but let's just try it. Let's just try. You never really know, right? But let's just try and see. Fail. All right. It got stuck on my tweezer. Just press them together and we are stuck. Yeah, this is a fail, no doubt. Maybe I should just close my eyes. Okay. We're just gonna leave that there. The bat is about to leave the cave, but hopefully she will stay. I guarantee we're not sticking this on the lashes. I guarantee we're sticking on the eyelids. This is as much as I can do. I hope you guys appreciate it. Who invented this stupid challenge anyway? Like, why? What is wrong with using a mirror? Mirrors work. They work just fine. They do the job. They help you not to stab yourself in the eye. Or they help you not to get your lashes looking like they're about to take off into another continent. Seriously, who came up with this challenge? I really want to know. I'm going to pull out my mirror right now and hope that this is not a complete disaster. Alright, Edith. You gave your best shot. Alright. Let's take a look. Huh. Wow. She's not bad at all. Wow. Not a complete disaster. The lashes are not gonna cut it, they gotta go. My concealer is even looking good, not too crazy. But I mean, I leave it to you guys to tell me how you think I did. I look forward to reading your comments. I look forward to seeing your scores. Remember, from 1 to 10. Give me a score to tell me how you think I did. But personally, just looking at it right now, it does not look terrible. It doesn't look terrible at all. Okay guys, so that is it. So now to announce our winner of my giveaway. Drum roll please. So the winner of my giveaway today is Raylena Through the Haze. So I'm gonna stop murdering her name. I'm just gonna post it. I'm just gonna put it right here. So if you are watching, girl, you are my winner of the Masquerade Mini palette. Message me with your mailing info so that I can send out your palette to you. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna be doing more giveaways coming soon. Stay tuned, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell button in the corner so that you get notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Alright, now I can take off these bad lashes.